Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll want about 2 pounds of ripe, juicy tomatoes, a few cloves of fresh garlic, and some fragrant herbs like basil or oregano. Don't forget good quality olive oil, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple foundation is key to a delicious sauce. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get them prepped. Start by washing your tomatoes thoroughly, then core them and chop them into manageable pieces. Don't worry too much about perfection here, they'll break down during cooking. Next, finely mince your garlic. If you're using an onion, dice it small. Proper preparation ensures even cooking and a smooth texture for your sauce. It's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and diced onion, if using, and sauté until softened and fragrant, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add your chopped tomatoes. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for at least 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Your homemade sauce is almost ready. For a smoother texture, use an immersion blender directly in the pot, or carefully transfer it to a regular blender. Blend until it reaches your preferred consistency. Stir in fresh basil leaves right before serving to brighten the flavors. This sauce is perfect with pasta, on pizza, or as a base for other dishes. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze for longer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.